Hey guys, welcome back to Kids Cooking with Missy. Today I am going to make deviled eggs, and here are the ingredients. Salt and pepper, which are right here. Salt and pepper. And paprika is right here. Miracle Whip. Yeah, it's Miracle Whip. Here are the pickles. And then mustard, which are right here. You have to ask for an adult to let for the pot to let the pot boil and put the water in it. So now we're just gonna wait until the pot is all done, and then we're gonna put the eggs in. Okay, so now the pot is boiling. Now it's time to add the egg. Pick an egg with the bare hands. Put it here. Dip it in and roll it off. You have to add 6. Here's another egg and put it in. Oops. Two more. Oops. And the last one. Like I said before, ask an adult to help you, or else your hand will get burnt. Now that they're done boiling, it's time to let them cool off. Now that they're done cooling off, time to crack the eggshells. Let's do this. First, you take an egg, and then you crack it here. And when it's like that, peel the eggshell off with a bare nail. Now it's time to cut the eggs in half. Eggs. There's one. You have to be very careful. Now it's time for the ingredients. First we do this. Okay. Now it's time to add this one. It's time to add this. There we go. Twist it out. Okay. Time to add this one. Oh, one really. Time to add this. Here we go. Okay. Put this away. Stay there. Time to put that there. Now, time for the mustard. Now it's time to mix it. Now it's done mixing. We're going to put it back in the eggs. This might be tricky. You might need to have an adult to help you. Time to put the last ingredient on. Paprika. This is going to be good. See you guys later with Kids Cooking with Missy. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Bye.